Okay, so table has been glued up and I'm starting to place my runners. I've got my drawer assembled, everything's glued up, extra tape which I don't need. So now I need to figure out how much space I need for where these grooves are going to occupy inside the table itself. I created this little runner material. There's a dado inside of all of this, so that will get placed in there. One left and right. This is what the whole system looks like. So rabbets on both ends of this. Label the top so that the alignment of this is consistent left to right. So these things slip in around the legs, and I'm going to line these up on the top. Got spring clamps here which will hold these into position. My rail or runner material goes into place. Now, a couple of options for understanding what this space needs to occupy, or more importantly where, and I can do a couple things. Number one, I could take this tool, I can measure inside dimensions here to here, and that's fine. It's a little clunky, it's not terribly accurate. So what I've done instead is I've created a piece exactly the length of the inside of either groove. What I'll do, place this into that compartment, and I'll work on centering where that goes. As long as these rails are pushed in tight to both sides, measuring over 5/8 over there. That's a little bit less than 5/8. Oops. Alright, so you're closer to Finch. Half inch, that's pretty perfect. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Making a mark there and there. That's got these things centered. I'll then take these out. I know exactly where I need to cut to. Both of them will get cut to that dimension, and then dry fitting them one more time in here, make sure that the drawer fits. I'm going to cut a little bit larger than I think I need because I could always trim more of this off. Once those things work, the drawer slides in and out, then I'll glue those in place. Then I'll continue to screw in these once I understand the alignment of that drawer. Let me cut these and I'll come back to finish it off.